Histology laboratories play an integral role in the diagnosis of cancer and other pathologies, and providing high-quality tissue slides to the pathologist in a timely manner ensures that patients get the right diagnosis and the right treatment right away. The traditional way laboratories have processed tissue is often the most time-consuming part of the histology process. Valuable time is wasted while waiting to collect large batches of cassettes, which create workflow bottlenecks. And conventional tissue processing performed on most common types of processors is slow, often taking several hours. And then there is the maintenance. Performing cleaning cycles between each run and changing reagents is tedious and time-consuming. There are also the risks of making mistakes during reagent exchanges that can damage patient tissue, like using a wrong concentration, pouring the wrong reagent into a bottle, or swapping bottles around. These obstacles lead to delays in turnaround time, and with work piling up and laboratories often short-staffed, this can result in exhaustion and frustration. Thankfully, there is a solution. With the Tissue-Tek Xpress x120 rapid tissue processor from Sakura Fine Tech, the lab is finally able to deliver rapid, continuous and standardized tissue processing over a full range of tissue types, allowing slides to make their way to the pathologist faster than ever before. With the ability to continuously load a new run of up to 40 cassettes every 20 minutes, large batches and rigid loading schedules are a thing of the past. The robotic, 4-retort design enables multiple runs to process simultaneously in a lean fashion, like a modern production line, with no delay in protocol time or need to stop for cleaning cycles. Most tissues are rapidly processed and ready for embedding in just 1 hour, while larger tissues that would typically take up to 8 hours to process on a conventional tissue processor are ready in just 2.5 hours. An incredible savings of 5.5 hours. The reagent exchange is also fast, simple, and completely error-free without the need for additional unnecessary user interactions, providing total peace of mind. With the Tissue-Tek Xpress x120, laboratories are finally able to win back precious time by eliminating unnecessary waiting and enabling a continuous workflow that is efficient, manageable, and safe. Shortening turnaround time reduces laboratory stress and enables delivery of slides to the pathologist quicker, providing a faster diagnosis for patients.